Welcome back everybody, I'm Dan and this is Plant Abundance on YouTube. Today I'm going to share with you a quick and easy way to break down and completely recycle those K-cups. People love their morning coffee and tea, and the convenience of these single serving cups are all the rage these days, but it's quite wasteful. That's where this little tool comes in. This is called Recycle a Cup. I found this on Amazon. I'll drop a link below this video if you want to check it out. But this little tool makes quick work of the 3-step process that's required in order to recycle these K-cups. So the way this works, as you can see, if I push these tabs in on the side, a little sharp razor pokes out just the perfect distance. So now you just place the tool over the cup, engage the buttons on the side, and give it a full 360-degree turn. You can either turn the actual tool or the cup, and there you have it. You can remove the whole top and the filter with the coffee in it in one swoop. Now, the bottom portion of the cup is ready to go into the recycling, or you can reuse this. And I've got a great idea on a way that I can reuse these I'll share with you in a moment, but we'll set that aside for now. And the rest of this, the way you process it, is to grab that filter and give it a twist and a pull. And try to pull off that whole filter and coffee in one swoop if you can. Whatever remains of the filter, you can just quickly go around and pull off the paper. And now all that coffee and the filter is completely compostable right on site, so you can throw this in your garden bed, flower bed, you can put it in a worm bin, so hopefully you've got some systems in place where you can use this on site, or throw it in your green waste bin if you need to. And then this top little lid portion, once you've got a bunch of them collected, you can wash them off all at the same time, just makes quick work out of it. And then we're going to remove the aluminum from the top of the plastic ring here. We got to separate all these different pieces here. So we got the plastic, and these little plastic discs, these filters are inside of the cups as well. Then we got the lid or the rim, and we've got the aluminum. So all the plastic can be recycled as one item, the aluminum is another item, and then of course we got the coffee filter and spent grounds, which can be composted right on site or put into the green waste bin. And if you're a gardener, you might actually consider saving these little cups. They already have a little drainage hole in there, and you can use them to start some seeds. So just grab yourself a little tray like this and continue to fill it up as you collect your cups. Then put some soil in, a bit of seeds, and there you have it. You got yourself some little seed starting pots. Well, that's going to do it for now. I want to thank you all for watching. Hope you're having a great day. Until next time, this is Dan from plantabundance.com. Take care. I'll be talking to you again soon.